Some equations do not have one solution. For example, an identity. An identity is an equation that is always true for all values of the variable. Therefore, an identity has infinite number of solutions. If an equation is not true for any value of the variable, then the equation has no solution. Let us examine the following equations. In number 1, the equation is 3 times the quantity 5x plus 2. Is equal to 15x. Let us use the distributive property. 3 times 5x is 15x. 3 times 2 is positive 6. We do not change the right side of the equation. If we eliminate 15x from the left side, we use the inverse. That is the same as positive 15x, and the inverse is negative 15x. So we subtract 15x from each side of the equation. The equation now becomes 6 is equal to 0. But 6 equals 0 is not true. Therefore, there is no solution for this equation. Now let us consider the other example. The given equation is -2 times 4y plus 1 equals -8y minus 2. Again, let us use distributive property to remove the sign of grouping. So -2 times 4y is -8y. -2 times 1 is -2. The right side remains to be 8y minus 2. You will notice that the left side of the equation is the same as that of the right side. Therefore, we can say that this equation is an identity. Now, let us see what will happen if we eliminate -8y by addition. So using the addition property of equality, we can add 8y to each side of the equation. So the new equation becomes -2 is equal to -2. And this is a true equation. Therefore, whatever value that we assign to y will always make the equation true. It follows, therefore, that this second equation, -2 times the quantity for y plus 1 equals -8y minus 2 has infinitely many solutions. In the third equation, we have 10k plus 7 is equal to -3 minus 10k. So if we add 10k to each side of the equation, in order to eliminate -10k from the right side, the equation now becomes 20k plus 7 is equal to -3. We can also eliminate 7 by subtraction property of equality. So we subtract 7 from each side. and the new equation becomes 20k is equal to negative 10. We can eliminate the coefficient of k, which is 20, by division. So we are using division property of equality. So we can cancel 20 because 20 divided by 20 is equal to 1 times k is equal to k. And then negative 10 divided by 20 is negative 1/2. Now this means that there is only one value of k that will make the equation true, and that is when k is equal to negative 1/2.